and we want to talk more about these vaccine pop-ups.
So we're happy to have Schools Chancellor Meisha Porter with us this early to discuss the rollout. So good morning to you, Chancellor. Good to have you here.
Good morning, both of you. How you doing this morning?
Doing well, doing well. You're our first guest in this new hour that we're anchoring. So it's a big day for New York public schools as well. Obviously, we just heard from Anthony there. The pediatric doses are available. First and foremost, Chancellor, how many doses are available on day one?
So we're across the city at many of our schools this morning, and we're going to be, as you said earlier, every school will have an opportunity to get that first dose. And so we're working with the Department of Health and making sure that we are on site and providing that opportunity to parents. And so parents can go to our website to find out what day we're at their school. We're not at every school today, but we will be at every school that has students in grades 5 through 11, that are ages 5 through 11.
So are you certain that you will have enough vaccines to meet the demand? And also, can students that are not New York City public school students get the vaccine at public schools?
So we are open to students in our school buildings right now, and we are confident that we have enough doses. The city has worked really hard to make sure. We've been looking so forward to this moment when we could offer the doses to our 5 through 11-year-olds, and so many parents have asked for it. So we're excited about being able to provide this opportunity. But we also have our city-run sites across the city, the pharmacies, and so there's so many places. But we wanted to make sure that our schools were part of the solution.
So how's it going to work? Is it first come, first serve? I mean, are you confident that if you do have enough doses, that you'll be able to serve everybody at one time, and that there won't be any kids that are like, well, we don't have any more today, come back tomorrow?
We're going to have families sign up. We're going to have consent. And so we will be working with our healthcare partners to make sure that we can get everyone in each day that we're offering doses. And so I hope for high demand. Yeah. I hope our parents, lean into our schools, and we're going to be ready to meet that demand.
Chancellor, we heard from Eric Adams about how he would like to drop the mask mandate. Any word on it once a child is vaccinated, if they'll still have to wear a mask? Are there plans to remove the mask mandate?
Well, I think it's important to note that masks are part of our layered approach to health and safety. And we have students in our schools that aren't 5 years old. We have 3K and pre-K students. And so right now we are still leaning into what the science is telling us. And right now we are still going to wear masks. But I think everybody's looking forward to that moment. But what we want to do is make sure we follow the medical experts' advice as it relates to mask wearing in our schools.
So we have the incoming mayor who had some very harsh words for the Department of Education last week on PIX11. We want to play that sound and then get your response on the other end.
Mm-hmm.
One of the greatest embarrassments in our city is what's happening in the Department of Education. Great teachers, great educators, the system has failed. Dan, imagine that we're spending over $30 billion a year, and we have children in this city. 65% of Black and brown children never reach proficiency.
So what is your working relationship with the mayor-elect, and are you concerned at all about your future with the DOE?
So I am, I wish the mayor-elect, and I've said it to him, congratulations. I'm excited for what the next administration is to bring. But I'll tell you, I am proud of the way our teachers, educators, leaders, everyone from our food service workers, all across our system that have shown up for our students. And, the DOE is not just a system, but it is a collection and a family of schools and folks who work really hard every day to support young people. I will not, I acknowledge as a Black woman who's gone through the system that there have been inequities that we've been working really hard to interrupt, and look forward to continuing to do that great work.
Have you had any conversations with him, Chancellor, about staying on as Chancellor or working somehow in the new administration? Have those conversations happened?
So I've been, Dan, I've been super focused on doing the job, getting our system open, opening that amazing summer program that we ran, and ensuring that our school buildings and our communities are healthy and safe. And so I'm looking forward to continuing to do that, and we shall see what comes next.
All right. And just real quickly, do you think that now that the vaccines are available to more students, do you think the attendance rate will go up for the New York City public schools?
Well, our attendance rate, is today is around 90%, which is normal for this time of year and for our system. And, this was a difficult start to the year. We all knew that. We knew that, folks coming back, that it was going to be a little slow in a different way. We're coming back from being out of school buildings for 18 months. And so our schools, our teachers, our principals, our attendance teachers have worked very hard to get us to this number. And I think today, this announcement, starting vaccines in schools, will help to continue to make sure that our students are where they belong in our classrooms with their teachers, learning every day.
All right, Chancellor Porter, I appreciate you waking up early with us and joining us in the 6 o'clock hour. Good luck today with their vaccine rollout, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.